Hey there, John-Hooks here, and welcome to my review of The Path. I am in the dashboard, the members area of The Path here. This is the where it has all of your training for it, and we're going to go through this. Actually, I went ahead and made a demo video ahead of time for that, and we'll go through that in a moment here. But let's get over to my bonus page. So from YouTube, go ahead and click on the link beneath or next to this video that says get my exclusive bonuses and The Path here. Click on that link and that will take you to this page that you see right now. Okay, so The Path exposed our new secret app and system unlocks daily commissions for us by sending daily buyer traffic to our offers. All right, so we're going to talk about this. And first, let me ask that you please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also find that alert bell for your future notifications. So let's talk a little bit more about The Path here. So it's a free solution for all your traffic needs, software to automate your traffic, complete money-making system, training, 100% free traffic included, no monthly fees or expenses, 0 tech skills or experience required, and of course 100% beginner friendly. So have you ever tried to get quality traffic without any results? Well, you know, most of us have. And according to Neller, the creator of this, I too was struggling with this and trying various methods like spending hours a day producing YouTube videos, writing numerous blog posts, throwing away money on Facebook ads, sending emails without any results, and the list goes on and on and on. Without any significant results in the past until I came across this backdoor method of driving a flood of limitless buyer traffic. So this is what I'm about to share here. Basically, we're going to get into it here. Step one, register your account, act fast before the price goes up. Step number two, activate your software bot, literally just one click. And step number three, get a flood of free buyer traffic on autopilot. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to go over and watch the demo video. It's about 5 minutes long, takes you through the whole training area and dashboard. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is The Path, and this is the members area, the dashboard of it right here. We are in the overview, and here Neller gives some statistics about how many people use Instagram, and he goes through the stats that he has here, and from Hootsuite, I believe, that presents that because of course Instagram is the blood of this program here. All right, and so over here in the dashboard, we have our profile update, and so it kind of tells you how to set up your profile in this video, the different fonts that are available for Instagram, and there is a button here where you can click on and get Instagram fonts. You can get Instagram emojis here because you may not be able to use the ones that you have on your keypad or keyboard here. Okay. In the next slide is setting up your link because ultimately that is what you want to be doing is sending people that subscribe back to you an offer, and here is the process of how to go ahead and set up your link for your offer or your product. Okay, and so next is getting your money links. All right, and so this is where you'll be sending people to when they follow you back, is what I should say. And so what we have here are offers that you will be given access to some products that have previously launched from Neller and a couple of others. You have your link for Launcher, Money Magnets, Turbo Traffic, and set and forget traffic. And so you'll click those. You'll go over to Warrior Plus, where you will go ahead and request your link. And in the video, it will tell you what to do and what to put in there to make sure you get your guaranteed approval. Okay. The next section here is setting up your money pages. So basically, and there are 3 different versions or options that are being given here. One would be through Groove Funnels or Groove Funnels. You can get a free version of it. It is very limited, and but of course, if you really like it and it is a good software, you can go ahead and pick up the upgraded version. But otherwise, there are 2 other versions. One is using Get Response, and the good thing about this is that Get Response is a autoresponder, but it also comes with templates for squeeze pages as well as landing pages, and so that would be a good choice, monetarily, especially if you're just getting started. You have everything, in the same house, basically. And similarly with the Aweber version of this, and both Get Response and Aweber have free, you can get started for free. And then, it might cost somewhere, I believe, around $6 to $7, $8 per month, which is not too bad at all. Okay. And then installing the software. This is the magic, right here. So basically, there is a plugin, not a plugin, but an extension that you will, install on your Google Chrome that will actually go ahead and follow the followers of individuals, that are in the niche that you want to promote to. So whether it's make money online, whether it's health and fitness, whether it's about pets, whether it's about crypto, anything at all, you'll find those individuals, and the software, very good demonstration here of, how to get that set up. Okay. And, then another little video on using the software, like I said, on how to get the followers, follow the followers, and this is where everything comes together. All right, and that is pretty much it. Of course, any your upgrades that you did not get when purchasing this are available here, and your bonuses that were offered to you are here, and you can collect those there. All right, thank you, and that is it. All righty, so let's talk about what this is going to cost. So you get the front end of the path for $17, and the price increases every 6 hours by 25 cents. And this is from the start of the launch, which was March 28th. And so by the time you see this video, it's probably up, in price by now. Okay, and so the Path Pro for $27 on the downsell, it's just a pro version, and increases your traffic needs and gives you basically unlimited or more follows per day and stuff like that. The Path Superstar for $37, email multiplier is done for you email copy that'll get you more out of your leads. And the next one is the Path Reseller for $57. You get the resell license to sell the Path and keep 100% of the commissions yourself. And so as a reseller for $57, that's not a bad option there. And the Path One-on-One Coaching for $197. You get a month of coaching to help you with everything in regards to this system, and a little bit more about affiliate marketing too. Okay, so key benefits of this: free traffic software that's included, 100% traffic to any URL that you want to send it to, method of monetizing traffic in one go, permanent source that never runs dry, no monthly fees or expenses, 0 tech skills or experience required, 100% beginner friendly, and of course it comes with the money back guarantee. All right, so this is the demo video that we saw earlier, so it is on my bonus page here, so you can go ahead and save this page and you can come back to it and watch that at any time. All right, and at any time you can go ahead and click any of the red banners on my page here to go ahead and pick up your copy today. Now, I do have some bonuses for you if you get the path through any of my banners or links today. Bonus number 1 is total traffic. So this is another traffic source that is basically free. This is a course that is still for sale. It's selling out there right now. But you get it as a free bonus here, and basically you get to put any link that you want into a rotator, and it's shown to about 30,000 interested people in make money online, and of course that list is growing day by day, and so pick that up, get that bonus by getting the path today. All right. Bonus number 2, affiliate marketing magic. All right. More about affiliate marketing basics. And bonus number 3, back to the basics. All the tools that you need to succeed. And this isn't just about affiliate marketing in general, but the tools that you need to make you successful. All right. And bonus number 4, fast list now. This is a tutorial on creating a subscriber list quickly and how to keep that sustained. All right. So, and bonus number 5 are the bonuses that Neller and the Path are offering you when you pick up the Path. Okay, and those are passed on when you purchase through my link, so you'll get all of his bonuses plus the bonuses that I described earlier. Okay, and this is sold on the Warrior Plus platform, so when you pick up your copy, eventually you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. I have it kind of minimized here, but you'll click on the green button to access your the Path, and then the blue button is where you will access the bonuses that I have offered to you. All right, so once again, let me go ahead and ask that you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, do that thumbs up, and find that alert bell. And that's it. I want to go ahead and take the time to thank you for taking your time to check out my review of the Path and bonuses and demo, and I really appreciate that. And as always, to your success.